So hello my dear friends, so I'm here. You see, this is a current picture. So how to trace the any images, any picture. I'm today here for show you how to short techniques which are very fantastic and very important and a very effective way. This I'm gonna show you. Please stay with me and try to watch this all about here. So what I do, I'm gonna first select all this picture. So already done. There are many different rules, but if you do directly image trace, it will not matter because you gonna to lose something from this picture or images. So what should I do? I need to go to the windows. You see where this one image trace. First of all, I need to click here and I need black and white. This color. Color. I needed to go to the color and trace. Oh my god, here technical questions. Okay, I'm gonna okay. You see how is it happening? And I'm gonna take a lot of time. It will be more brighter, just taking a lot of time. Okay, it's taking a lot of time. Besides, my computer is so slow. So I'm gonna try here. Please wait for a few seconds. Yes, I done. Oh my god, how is a fantastic doing? So right, I need now this. Okay, so it's technically doing like that. So what should I do? I need a back to the. I can do expand from here, but if I do this one, I may lose something from this picture. So what should I do? I need to direct to the object. Go to the object and expand from here. I needed this one. Object and a film. But I needed this one uncheck. And okay. Yes. Done. Done. Almost done. What should I do? I need to now this one ungroup all the things. Again ungroup. Okay. It's done. So I need a little bit smaller, which would be good or better. So what should I do? I need to know this one like that. I need this one here. Put here. You see, the guys, how is good and fantastic. You see, right now I need bigger because I need to cut this. I need this cut. I need this cut all the things. I need to cut all the things. I need this one cut. It will be right here. You see, I need to cut here all the things. I need like that. I need to cut this one. Okay, so very nice. You see, everything I'm doing done. Oh my god, this is how possible. You see how this one nice. Oh, sorry, it is not there. Okay, so you see how is done. So what should I do? I need a little bit here, maybe little bit. Yes, yes, you see, just few seconds or few minutes. It is good. It is. I need to clear all the things. You see, what should I do? I need a little bit. I need now this separated from this scratch here. You see exactly how done this one. It's a fantastic. You can do now. You can use anywhere like the t-shirt or something else. So thanks for watching. Thank you.